on video, Debbie.
My best side.
You want to give her a ring video?
No, I'm fine. He takes it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I didn't go in, so.
Clear. Alright. Go ahead and step down. One more. There you go. Both hands on top. How about it?
Yee!
Alright, Mr. Larry.
I don't know if you can be
Sorry,
trusted.
yeah. Sorry about that last one. I've actually never done that before.
No, I haven't either.
What do you do?
I got his
Isn't that cool
lanyard.
that we did things first time together?
Yeah. He got tangled up.
He wanted to hang out
Gave him
with
a
me.
good snatch. Had to make sure he was paying attention. Not yet. We're going to wait for the clear. And then you can sit.
Yeah.
Whew.
I'm just trying to lie.
Clear.
All the way down to the bottom.
Okay.
One
Glad
more
you got to
step.
see me.
Yep. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah. Okay, my turn.
Yep. That didn't sound very enthusiastic.
Clear.
Alright.
Alright, go ahead and step down one. Yep. Both hands on top. Have at it.
Like a pro.
Like a pro, nice. What'd you think, Sarah?
That was awesome.
Oh, tiptoes.
Alright.
Come on down for me. Clear, man.
Good.